Hello all! The big cleanup has begun, but where do we even start? We decided to give the whole boat a deep clean first. Then it's on the front cabin. Removing mold, replacing damaged materials, and getting the washing machine back to life. Luckily, Sikko is incredibly handy, so things are moving fast. Between shopping for supplies, sewing curtains and making new cushions, our floating home is slowly taking shape. It's not a one-day job, but with every step, it's becoming more and more beautiful. Keep following, there is so much more to come as we continue our boat makeovers and bring this floating home to life.